Okay, we're going over the Gates crimping system. I'm not gonna do it, but I'm gonna tell you how to do it. So you take your this is a 1-inch diameter hose here that is 2500 psi rated. You take, let me get this in here. You have your I'm gonna call this like it's a concave, or it's like it goes inward, like it's thin at top and it's thicker at the bottom. Put that in the crimping device. You get your like dies here. They're all different gauges, and like this is 735. This one here is 737. This one's 722s. So you take your little travel block, just whatever it is. Feed your hose in there from the bottom, like such. You put the one that is necessary. So this is a 1-inch hose, 16. It's rated 16 dash is a dash size. All right. So dash size 16, 1-inch hose. All this here. Use 737 die set, and the digital readout is 4.14. So this is 15. So there's 14. Got your hose in there. Got your die set in there. Take this cap here. Put it on top. Slide it back all the way to the back, and then keeps changing on. 14, you got your 16 dash size connector. Get it all in there, all set up. You use your lube and whatnot. Get on there nice right. Push this button right here. It goes all the way down to the set amount, and then you got your piece here. You check it. You do a tug test. You pull on it. You try to see if it's loose or anything. And then if you believe it's a good seal on it, it's good to go. All right.